And here is the spark plug out of the left hand cylinder. You can see there's a whole load of soot around the negative electrode, the outside of that. The colour of this electrode isn't too bad, but the this is out the right, sorry, this is covered in soot, as you can see, and yeah, it's looking sad. And this is from the left. Now that is indicating a fair sort of mixture, so I don't think it's running too lean or too rich in general, but there is a wee bit of soot around the edge, and that insulator is pink. Now I've seen petrol dyed in various colours. Back in my army days, Ministry petrol had a red dye in it, and I remember if you decided to use some for your private vehicle, it was a dead giveaway, because you only had to take the air filter off, look down into the carby, and you'd see this red dye everywhere. But I do not remember seeing a spark plug insulator go that colour. So yeah, and they are the correct spark plug for this bike. Now they're in GKs, and just looking at them, I'm going to have to replace all the jets and stuff on both carburetors. Let's get them done properly. But I've got a new set of spark plugs. Once I've done all the work on the Carbies, I will not be using these again. So I'm going to do a bit of an experiment. It might be a bit late in the year to do it now, because we really haven't had much of a summer here in Oz. We've had a few hot days, but yeah, most of it's been rotten humid, low temperature for the year, and high rainfall. But I've got these are BP7HS, as you can see there on the right hand one, and I've bought a pair of BP6HS, and I'm going to do a little experiment to see if they run better in hot weather too, but not until the carburetors are right.